So this is my Erma LA22 Luger. I had it out here yesterday. We were having some reliability issues with it. But if you look up these guns and see reviews, they are very finicky.
History.
So I will say it does not look like it likes this ammo. Let's try something different. See, it's just working. So even before we'd get to run for a mag or two at most, already I've gotten through 4 mags and it just works with this ammo. So this is what we're shooting, and it is not a hollow point, it's a round nose bullet. I think that's what this gun actually prefers. All right, this will make 100 rounds without one failure, which with a 22 just in general, that's impressive. So let's try and make it fail. It likes this stuff. 100 rounds, not one failure. Just shot a pretty good group with this gun. I mean, gonna exclude that flyer. Those 3 were probably the last. Not bad.
Same shitty Luger sights.
See, and it just works.
That works. That's just like a real Luger. Same shitty sights.
Well, believe it or not, those are better. If I had the Luger out here, you would realize this is a much deeper cut.
And it still sucks.
Oh, you're the first one to have a failure. Of course you would be. Well, it happened today. Sad.
Oh, very
it's a sad moment. I'm going to have to go online and see if I can find another toggle, because I still want to shoot this thing. Everybody always says that they made some cheap parts on it, and obviously they did. This is an Erma. Erma don't work. Erma no bang bang. No bang bang. Erma's showing her age.